3:30 in the morning. Morning. Here they all are. 3:30 in the morning. And that's what I need to get me through. A caffeine inject. Cutting up cucumbers. Mate. Some fresh lime juice. Oh, that smells fantastic. Oh, we've got some offal. Ugh. Over here we've got fish frying here. There's no meat on the fish. But anyway, that's what they do. Here they are. Yeah, I think they're missing the best part of the fish, but anyway, they're chucking in some flour, boil the bejesus out of them, fry them, sorry. And there it is. Hang on, what's going on up here? Puss, what are you doing up there? Hey? Crazy. Chop, chop. Here's Manny stirring the pot. There's the menu for the day. That's what we got that. Get that all organised. All right, good boy. There's the boss over here getting things all sorted. Yep, she's got it all worked out. Loading up all the glasses. Yep, doing a good job. A little bit of storage area here. A bit of water. A couple of Cokes. The fridge. And the boys getting all the stuff into the ute. This goes on from 3:30 in the morning. There would be 30 people here and 2 utes have already left. There they are, they're getting all the rice ready. Put that one on there. Yeah, and put that one on top. Oh, cow. Yeah, then another layer goes. Oh yeah, good. One more, then we'll put the lid on. Little eggs. Egg. Quail. Egg. Steaming the rice. Jeez, look at the size of that. That's hot as Hades in here. It's got some sort of a... It's duck. No wonder I can't get a shower, they're using all the water. We're still going on this, or it's getting thick now, it's looking good. Looking real good. Just a couple of the girls letting the boys know that they stuffed up. I told you before, boys, it was that one, not the other one. No idea. No idea, she's having a bit of a go again too. Oh, very good. Into the ice water and making noodles. And these are the 3 champion girls that are doing this. And it matches their hair now. And then in the ice water. And then look at that. I've got no idea what it is, but it looks nice. might get a few little leftovers. That might be my dinner. Look at them all. Time to clean up now. Oh, and where does this go? That goes... Well, probably the less said about that, the better, eh? Yeah, let's just make sure we secure the load. Get a bit of rope. Alright, so... Yeah, you need your jackets on. It's only 32 degrees. You still got your jammies on. A couple of boys here. Put your jackets on, fellas. It's only 32. Off they go. That's chute number 4 gone. Alright, see ya. There goes one. This is the company mode of transport. We just chuck them in the back of the ute. There you go. 2 taps on the roof. You're ready to go. Whoops, hang on, we've forgotten something. What have you forgotten? Oh, the jacket, yeah, because it's 32 degrees outside. Right, they've got their jackets, they're all good now. And the key, don't forget the key. Okay, bye gals. So these girls have been working so hard from 3:30 in the morning. It's now 7:30 in the morning. So it's time for beer. Yeah? Okay. And as you can see, they're already on the chung. The elephant beer, see, with the nam kang. Ah. Here's all the girls. Yep, got everything all organised. Getting the oil ready. Oh, all the rice is here. A couple of woks. Fresh mint.